Welcome to VBA course. In this section, we will explore the numerous benefits of using VBA in financial analysis and reporting. Let's dive into how VBA can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. First, let's talk about automation. VBA automates repetitive tasks, such as data entry and report generation, saving you valuable time and reducing human error. Imagine all those mundane tasks being handled automatically, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. By automating routine processes, VBA allows financial professionals to concentrate on strategic analysis. This shift from manual work to automated solutions not only enhances productivity, but also improves the quality of insights you can provide. Next, VBA enables complex calculations and customized reporting. This capability provides deeper insights into your financial data, allowing for more informed decision-making and better financial strategies. One of the greatest strengths of VBA is its seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications. It automates tasks across Excel, Outlook, Access, and Word, creating a cohesive and efficient workflow. Automating calculations and data manipulations with VBA reduces errors and ensures consistency in financial reports. This reliability is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial data. By reducing manual effort and errors, VBA automation leads to significant cost savings and improved financial performance. The efficiency gained through automation translates directly into financial benefits for your organization. VBA helps ensure compliance with regulatory requirements by automating accurate and timely financial report generation. This not only simplifies the audit process, but also provides peace of mind knowing your reports are compliant. Finally, learning VBA enhances your technical skills, opening up new career prospects and opportunities for advancement. Mastering VBA is a valuable asset in the finance industry, making you more competitive in the job market. To sum up, VBA offers a multitude of benefits, from automation and error reduction to cost savings and improved compliance. By leveraging VBA, you can transform your financial analysis and reporting processes, making them more efficient and effective.